black Mazda, blacked out SUV.
Without cops, who would perform a dangerous and potentially life-threatening pit maneuver on two innocent sisters trying to rush their mom to the hospital?
We got a pit.
Tierra Hart, thinking she was having a heart attack, was being driven by her twin 18-year-old daughters heading to the hospital at a high rate of speed with their hazard lights on. That's when pit maneuver first, ask questions later, Arkansas State Trooper Monty Hernandez stepped in to serve and protect the crap out of them. After detaining them for a couple minutes, troopers released them to take their mother to the hospital. Even after confirming it was a legitimate emergency, the trooper still issued Kenosha Hart a felony fleeing ticket.
Thanks, stormtroopers.
She pleaded not guilty and her trial is set for September 6th.